So we're back with the Land Cruiser here. The turbo Land Cruiser, 240,000 miles. Really hasn't been driven or used since probably 2014, 13, so it's been 10 years. And I had to replace the pump because it died a few years ago. Well, all the bolts snapped for the sender, and I tried to start the truck a couple days ago, and the pump's dead again. So the pump, everything is rusted, and I'm kind of at a crossroads with this truck because it's just kind of crumbling into the ground. I mean, look at this. Because the tank wasn't sealed, this is just totally rusted again. So I got to replace the pump again. This time probably with just a cheap Chinese pump just to move the truck and then decide what I'm going to do if I'm going to replace the tank.